So we're beginning our 75-mile march from Benllyn and the Bal area to Benllyn. 75 miles, passing schools which are under threat of closure and from the Gwynedd reorganisation plans. Now Gwynedd say that they want a full discussion about their plans. They want responses. We're going to make sure that they get them, that every community has a chance to say why their school is so important to them, why they value their local school, their local community and their children's education. They will get that chance. They will post their responses into our giant post box, and we'll be delivering that post Friday afternoon to Gwynedd County Council.
Well, we're about 73 miles into the march. We've just arrived in Hysgolion, and it's been quite a heavy slog, I must say. I think about 15 of us have walked the whole way, starting off in Benllyn on Monday, and we've got about 2.5 miles to go until the end of Benllyn, the Llyn Peninsula.
We are joining the protest march from Hysgolion here now to walk to Cymdeithas School in Dros. We are remembering this morning that they closed Benllyn School in 1970, and we are also campaigning to keep Hysgolion open, which is under threat of closure in 2009.
Well, we expect Gwynedd County Council now to take notice of all these hundreds of responses which come from local communities about the importance of schools to their areas. They say they're going to listen in a 6-month consultation. We're taking them at their word. And if the final plan isn't very different from the original draft, we know that they won't have been listening. In the meantime, they must withdraw the threat to the 7 schools that they say they're going to finally decide on their future in May and June this year before they've even discussed the plan. That's absolutely disgraceful. They must withdraw the threat and start cooperating with people instead of forcing decisions from above.